What's up, guys? In this video, I want to show everyone how I'm able to successfully trade and copy trade Solana meme coins for thousands of dollars in profit each month. This video will be quick and concise, and I'm going to go step by step through my entire process, each tool that I use, and how I perform each trade. So if this is what you normally look like when you're trading meme coins, this video is for you. I'm going to break down my 3-step copy trading process that I use daily, and then teach you guys exactly how to do this. The first thing I'm going to teach you guys how to do is find profitable wallets and traders that we can potentially copy trade off of. Then I'm going to teach you guys how to sort and analyze through the wallets and throw out the bad ones that we don't want. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys how to track and then copy trade these profitable wallets. Smack that like button like it owes you money, guys. It supports me and the crypto community. Thank you. The very first tool that we're going to use to find these profitable wallets is a website called Dexscreener.com. So you've probably seen this website before. It shows us newly listed meme coins. Along with that, we can go into these and see the top traders for these newly listed coins. If we click on this top traders button at the top, we can see the most profitable wallets that have bought and sold this specific coin. I recommend you guys stay away from the very top wallets within these lists. They're generally either dev wallets, the people that have created the coin, or people with insider knowledge that have known to invest beforehand. So what I generally do is I'll scroll down a little bit further, and then I want to start checking out these wallets down here. What I'm looking for is wallets with high profit with a low amount of buys and sells. Why I want that is generally the lower amount of buys and sells will indicate it's an actual individual trader and not an automated trading bot, which are extremely hard to copy trade against. I like to look at this wallet. It has 1 buy, 2 sells for $2,300 profit. I'm going to click on the SolScan button over here, and we can get some more information on the wallet itself. So generally what I'd do in the past, once I found a profitable wallet, I'd pull up the SolScan and go through the individual transactions to see if I actually want to potentially copy trade this moving forward. I want to show you guys a much easier tool that I've been using to do this whole process for us. So instead what I do is I grab the wallet address, I take it into the SolSqueezer bot, which is a crypto bot built within Telegram that you can give wallet addresses and contract addresses to find profitable traders. Here, I'm going to give it the wallet address that we just found. I'm going to let it scan it, and it's going to come out with the analytics of the wallet itself. So with just one scan, we can start to get a sense of how powerful this tool is. Before, we'd have to manually wade through pages and pages of information on SolScan to get some of the same information. But here, it compiles stuff such as ROI, their profit and loss, average trade duration, all stuff that we need to be looking at to determine if this is a wallet we want to copy trade. If you want to play around with the SolSqueezer bot, see how powerful it actually is for yourself, check out the description of this video. So while this is much faster than manually going through SolScan, page by page, and sorting through all the transactions, I want to show you an even quicker way that we can find a list of profitable traders so that we can start narrowing them down and finding the ones we want to copy trade off of. I'm back on the Dexscreener website. I'm going to click on one of the more profitable tokens that have recently launched. And instead of going in the top traders, which I just showed you guys, where we can see all the top profitable wallets, I'm actually going to grab the URL from the website itself. I'm going to take it into SolSqueezer. I'm going to click the menu button, and we're going to do Analyze Token. This is going to analyze all the traders on this specific token instead of just an individual trader itself. This does take slightly longer because we're going through thousands of transactions instead of just an individual trader's transactions. So I'm going to let it finish up and show you guys the magic. Alright, it's finished. I'm going to click here to download the spreadsheet and then open it up. In here we get a curated list of the most profitable traders that have bought and sold this token. We can see profit percentage, profit in dollar amounts, the trader's wallet address, their buys, sells, buy some, sell some, their position left, time of their first buy, time of their last buy, and the duration of their trade. Now that we have the spreadsheet compiled for us, it makes it much easier to sort through and narrow down the wallets that we want to potentially track. Our goal is to get a handful of the best looking ones so that we can analyze them further. Criteria that I'm looking for when doing this are wallets with high profit, a low amount of buys, a low amount of sells, and preferably a trade duration that's more than just a couple minutes. If you take a look at some of these wallets, they have multiple buys and multiple sells. This generally will indicate it's an automated trading bot, which I do not like trying to copy trade against. Along with this, you can see the trade duration on the right hand side. A lot of these are just 1 minute or 2 minutes, which also would point to an automated trading bot, which again, I'm not trying to copy trade against. I prefer the ones that have 1 or 2 buys with 1 or 2 sells, along with the trade duration that's either an hour or hours long. So I've narrowed down a couple different wallets that could potentially be promising. I'm going to grab the wallet addresses, and then we're going to scan them within SolSqueezer to get more information on them. As you'll quickly see once you start scanning wallets, this is a numbers game. Even if people make a successful trade, it does not mean they're successful traders. Many of these wallets are in the negatives and are not profitable. So that's why we have to scan and analyze all these different wallets to find even one potential one that we can copy trade off of. After scanning multiple of those from the spreadsheet that we had, I found this wallet, which actually seems to be decent. It has 180% ROI with thousands of dollars of profit and a 50% win rate. Generally, the win rates that I like to copy off of is 50 to 70%. Anything higher usually indicates that they're going to be dumping on people that copy trade off of them. Now that we have a wallet to copy trade off of, I want to show you what tool that I use to do that. So to perform all my Solana meme coin trades, I use the Trojan trading bot, which is built into Telegram. As you'll see with a lot of these crypto tools, most of them are built within the Telegram bots for you to get access to. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check out this one. But essentially, you deposit your Solana within it, and then you pick which coin you want to buy, and then you simply just buy it. This also works with selling coins, but the reason why people use this is because it's extremely fast compared to manually performing the trades with any other type of wallet. Say we wanted to buy one of the coins that we seen earlier, like that frog coin. We click the buy button, and then it wants us to put in the token symbol or address. We can simply type in the ticker, click that, and then it's going to ask us how much we want to buy. This works the same way as if we were going to sell the coins. This is just two of the very simple functions of this tool. Besides that, there's a ton of other things that the Trojan trading bot can do, such as automated copy trading, which warrants its own tutorial video. If that's something that you're interested in, drop a comment, let me know if you want to see that. But essentially what I do now that we have a profitable wallet to copy trade off of, I would wait until he goes into a new position and follow him immediately after using this Trojan trading bot. This is one reason why I'm always mindful of their average trade duration if I'm copy trading somebody. If it's somebody that trades within just a minute or two, you're probably going to get dumped on. That's why I like somebody that trades within an hour, 2 hour time frames. That gives you time for the coin to hopefully go up, cash out, and get out before they do. If you guys would like even more in-depth and detailed meme coin trading videos, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know. Thank you guys.